Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Fresco. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the workspace. On the left, you'll find your primary drawing tools, while the right side houses essential panels like layers and brushes. You can easily rearrange these panels to suit your workflow, creating a personalized setup. Take a moment to explore the canvas and the intuitive gesture controls, which make zooming and panning incredibly smooth for a seamless creative experience. Now, let's dive into Fresco's incredible brush engine. You have access to hundreds of pixel, vector, and unique live brushes that mimic real-world oil and watercolor. Experiment with their settings to achieve various textures and effects. Layers are crucial for non-destructive editing. You can add, duplicate, or merge them with ease. Don't forget to explore blending modes to create stunning visual interactions between your layered elements, adding depth and complexity to your artwork. One of Fresco's powerful features is its ability to seamlessly integrate both vector and pixel workflows. Pixel brushes are perfect for detailed textures and painterly effects, offering a rich, traditional feel. Vector brushes, on the other hand, provide crisp, scalable lines that can be resized infinitely without losing quality, ideal for clean line art or graphic elements. Combining these two types allows for incredibly versatile and dynamic artwork, giving you the best of both digital worlds. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Fresco offers several export options. You can save your work as a high-quality PNG for transparency, a JPEG for web use, or even a PSD file to continue editing in Photoshop. Easily share directly to your favorite social media platforms or send it to other creative applications. Remember to consider your desired resolution and file size for optimal display across different mediums.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.